this is always a rumor here. A lot of people say don't ever stain your deck. And then I hear that if you stain your deck, you're going to have to stain it every year. Are these just rumors? Like, what do I have to stain my deck?
Nobody's making you stain your deck.
Right.
You don't have to do it, and you do what you want.
Right.
But if you do stain your deck, you're going to add longevity to the lumber.
Okay.
So the better treatment you put on it, the more you take care of it, the longer it's going to last. So really what you want to do is you want to protect from standing water, which is what the Olympic semi-transparent stain does, because it's a stain and sealant in one. And you want to protect against UV. So the sun is a very powerful thing. So all of that colorant, all that toner that's in that stain is going to protect from the sunlight. Right. It's going to protect your lumber from getting breaking down by the UV, by splintering and cracking. If you stain it, you have to stain it every year. If you do your deck, stain your deck properly, you should get a few years out of it. Now, there's a popular misconception with the can. All the Olympic deck cleaner, the Olympic stain cans have a warranty on them: 5 years, 10 years, 25 years. This isn't a warranty on the product itself. This is a warranty on the surface. So if you've used our semi-transparent, that's going to give you a 10 years, or our solid, that's going to give you a 10 years. It's not a warranty on the product itself performing. It's a warranty on the surface itself. So if you were to follow all of our maintenance steps, every few years do a touch-up coat, then you're going to preserve that lumber for 10 years.
Right. So follow a maintenance schedule once you do your first application.
You got it. And that maintenance schedule is on the can itself. And we also have a little form called Tips and Trips for a Successful Staining Project, and that's available at all cans as well.
Awesome.